On AU TechVerse, we're breaking down 20 affordable clamps that professional woodworkers actually rely on to get tight glue-ups and perfect alignment. These aren't overpriced shop ornaments. Every clamp you see today delivers real holding power, and all official Amazon links are available in the description. If your projects suffer because you never have the right clamp at the right time, this list will change how you build. Bessey 3-4, pipe clamp fixtures, pair. When projects start getting wider, regular bar clamps quickly reach their limits. Bessey 3 or 4-inch pipe clamp fixtures are designed to turn standard black pipe into long, powerful clamps for serious glue-ups. In real woodworking use, they're commonly used for tabletops, doors, and large panels where even pressure across the entire width matters. The fixtures grip the pipe securely and allow smooth pressure adjustment without slipping. Because you choose the pipe length, the clamp adapts to your project instead of the other way around. If you want professional clamping power without paying for oversized clamps, this setup delivers unmatched flexibility. 3-4, black pipe for pipe clamps, near 36. Pipe clamp fixtures are only as useful as the pipe you pair them with, and a 36-inch, 3-4-inch black pipe is a practical starting length. In real woodworking projects, this size works well for cabinet panels, shelves, and medium-width glue-ups where consistent pressure is critical. The rigid steel construction prevents flexing, which helps keep panels flat during clamping. Because the pipe is threaded, it locks securely into clamp fixtures without slipping. If you want reliable, customizable clamping capacity at a low cost, this pipe turns clamp fixtures into a truly professional solution. Jorgensen F-style bar clamps, 24. For everyday woodworking tasks, a 24-inch F-style bar clamp is one of the most versatile tools you can own. The Jorgensen F-style clamp is designed to handle cabinet parts, drawer boxes, and edge glue-ups with steady, controlled pressure. In real workshop use, it's often reached for during assembly, drilling, or dry fitting because it's easy to position and adjust. The bar provides good rigidity, while the screw mechanism allows precise pressure control. If you want a reliable mid-size clamp that works across a wide range of projects, this clamp earns its place quickly. Jorgensen F-style bar clamps, 36. When projects get wider, extra reach becomes essential, and a 36-inch F-style bar clamp fills that gap. The Jorgensen 36-inch clamp is designed for larger glue-ups like tabletops, cabinet sides, and wide frames where shorter clamps simply won't reach. In real woodworking use, it provides consistent pressure across long spans without flexing under load. The longer bar allows better spacing between clamps, which helps keep panels flat during glue-ups. If you need affordable long-reach clamping power that still offers control and reliability, this clamp delivers professional performance without the premium price. IRWIN Quick Grip 6, one-handed bar clamps, 4-pack. There are many moments in woodworking when you only have one free hand, and that's where these clamps shine. The IRWIN Quick Grip 6-inch one-handed bar clamps are designed for quick positioning and fast adjustments during light-duty tasks. In real workshop use, they're perfect for holding parts in place while drilling, gluing small pieces, or checking alignment during assembly. The trigger-style handle allows smooth pressure control without setting tools down. Having a 4-pack means you're never short when things get tricky. If you want speed and convenience for everyday holding tasks, these clamps earn their keep instantly. IRWIN Quick Grip 12. One-handed bar clamps, 2-pack. When a project needs a little more reach but still demands speed, the 12-inch IRWIN Quick Grip clamps are a natural upgrade. These clamps are designed to provide light to medium holding power while still allowing true one-handed operation. In real woodworking use, they're commonly used for cabinet assemblies, face frames, and jig setups where parts need to stay aligned while you work. The longer bar gives added flexibility without becoming bulky. With 2 clamps in the pack, they cover many day-to-day tasks efficiently. If you value fast setup with dependable holding strength, these clamps fit seamlessly into a professional workflow. Bessey GSCC 2.524 F-style Tradesman clamp, shown 24. When glue-ups demand higher pressure and better durability, this Bessey Tradesman clamp steps in confidently. The GSCC 2.524 is designed for professional level holding force while still being easy to control during assembly. In real woodworking projects like cabinet carcasses, hardwood panels, or frame assemblies, it delivers strong, even pressure without flexing. The reinforced bar resists twisting, which helps keep joints aligned as pressure increases. Its build quality makes it reliable for repeated daily use in a busy shop. If you need a clamp that handles demanding glue-ups without slipping or distortion, this one consistently proves its value. Bessey GSCC2 5/8 F-style Tradesman clamp. 18. Not every glue-up needs a long clamp, but it still needs serious holding power. The Bessey GSCC2 5/18 18-inch Tradesman clamp is designed for tighter assemblies where control and pressure matter more than reach. In real woodworking use, it's ideal for drawer boxes, face frames, and smaller cabinet components where precision alignment is critical. The rigid bar resists flexing, helping joints stay square as pressure is applied. Its shorter length also makes it easier to position in crowded glue-ups. If you want professional clamping strength in a more compact size, this clamp delivers dependable performance every time. Pony Jorgensen 3712 HD Heavy-Duty Bar Clamp, Ihirachina 12. For smaller assemblies that still demand serious pressure, this heavy-duty bar clamp is a reliable workhorse. The Pony Jorgensen 3712 HD 12-inch clamp is designed to apply strong, controlled pressure without bending or slipping. In real woodworking use, it's perfect for drawer boxes, edge glue-ups, and jig assemblies where accuracy matters more than size. The steel bar resists flex, helping joints stay aligned as pressure increases. Its compact length also makes it easy to use in tight spaces. If you want professional-level clamping force in a manageable size, this clamp delivers consistent, trustworthy performance. Pony Jorgensen 3724 HD Heavy-Duty Bar Clamp, 24. When larger glue-ups need serious pressure, this clamp is built to handle the load without compromise. The Pony Jorgensen 3724 HD 24-inch heavy-duty bar clamp is designed for cabinet panels, wide frames, and hardwood assemblies where standard clamps start to flex. In real woodworking use, the rigid steel bar helps keep joints aligned while the screw mechanism applies steady, controlled force. This makes it especially useful during long glue-ups where consistency matters. Its length provides good coverage without becoming awkward to position. If you want dependable, high-pressure clamping for medium to large projects, this clamp delivers professional results you can trust. 4. Heavy-duty spring clamps, Shattered 10-pack. Sometimes you don't need maximum pressure, you just need parts to stay exactly where you put them. 4-inch heavy-duty spring clamps are designed for fast temporary holding during layout, dry fitting, or light glue-ups. In real woodworking use, they're perfect for securing edge banding, holding jigs in place, or keeping small parts aligned while you work. The strong spring provides reliable grip, while the wide jaws help distribute pressure without marking the wood. Having a 10-pack means you always have extras within reach. If you want quick, no-hassle clamping for everyday tasks, these clamps quietly save time all day long. 2 mini spring clamps, in a 20-pack. Small parts can be the hardest to control during assembly, and that's where mini spring clamps become incredibly useful. These 2-inch spring clamps are designed for light-duty holding, where precision matters more than pressure. In real woodworking use, they're perfect for securing thin trim, holding small glue joints, or keeping parts steady during layout and marking. Their compact size allows placement in tight areas where larger clamps won't fit. With a 20-pack on hand, you can clamp multiple pieces at once without running short. If you want simple, reliable control for small-scale tasks, these clamps deliver everyday practicality. Adjustable corner clamps, clamping squares, 4-pack. Getting perfectly square corners during glue-ups is one of the biggest challenges in woodworking. Adjustable corner clamps, also known as clamping squares, are designed to hold joints at a true 90 degrees while the glue sets. In real woodworking projects like drawer boxes, cabinets, and frames, they help prevent twist and misalignment before it becomes a problem. You simply position them at the corner and apply your regular clamps. This speeds up setup and improves accuracy without complicated jigs. If you want cleaner, squarer assemblies with less frustration, These clamping squares quietly upgrade your results. Band clamp, strap clamp with corner blocks. When a project has multiple corners that need even pressure at the same time, a band clamp becomes the simplest solution. This strap clamp is designed to wrap around frames, boxes, or irregular shapes and apply uniform tension across all sides. In real woodworking use, it's especially effective for picture frames, cabinet boxes, and polygon-shaped assemblies where bar clamps are awkward. The included corner blocks help distribute pressure and protect edges from damage. Setup is quick, and adjustments are easy as the strap tightens evenly. If you want clean, balanced glue-ups on multi-sided projects, this clamp delivers controlled pressure without complexity. 24. Parallel jaw clamps budget set. Parallel jaw clamps are known for keeping assemblies flat and square, and a budget 24-inch set makes that level of control far more accessible. These clamps are designed so the jaws stay parallel as pressure is applied, which helps prevent panels from bowing during glue-ups. In real woodworking projects like cabinet carcasses or panel glue-ups, this consistency makes alignment much easier. The wide jaws also help distribute pressure evenly across the surface. If you want professional-style clamping results without paying premium prices, this clamp set delivers accuracy and stability where it matters most. 31. Parallel jaw clamps budget set. When projects get wider and alignment becomes harder to control, longer parallel jaw clamps make a noticeable difference. The 31-inch budget parallel jaw clamps are designed to apply even pressure while keeping large panels flat and square. In real woodworking use, they're especially helpful for cabinet sides, tabletops, and wide glue-ups where twisting can ruin results. The parallel jaws stay aligned as pressure increases, reducing the need for constant adjustment. Their extra reach allows better spacing between clamps for consistent pressure. If you want clean, professional glue-ups on larger projects without overspending, these clamps deliver reliable control. See clamp set 2, 3, 4, Assorted. Sometimes the simplest clamp is still the most useful. A classic C-clamp set in multiple sizes is designed for strong, direct pressure in small areas where bar clamps feel bulky. In real woodworking use, these clamps are perfect for securing jigs to a bench, holding parts during drilling, or clamping metal hardware to wood without movement. The threaded screw allows precise pressure control, which helps avoid crushing delicate pieces. Having 2, 3, and 4-inch sizes ready covers most quick tasks. If you want compact clamps that deliver serious holding power, this set earns its place fast. Toggle clamp set, horizontal hold down, 4-pack. When you need repeatable holding without constantly tightening and loosening screws, toggle clamps make work faster and more consistent. This horizontal hold-down toggle clamp set is designed to lock a workpiece firmly in place with a single lever motion. In real woodworking use, they're commonly mounted on jigs, sleds, and drill fixtures where parts need to be secured quickly and released just as fast. The fixed clamping pressure improves accuracy during drilling, routing, and sanding. If you build jigs or do repetitive operations, these clamps save time while keeping workpieces solidly controlled. Bench dog clamp, hold-down clamp for dog holes. A solid workbench becomes far more useful when you can secure work without cluttering the surface with clamps. A bench dog hold-down clamp is designed to fit into standard dog holes and apply downward pressure exactly where you need it. In real woodworking use, it's ideal for planing, sanding, chiseling, or routing when you want the top of the workpiece completely clear. Setup is fast and pressure is easy to adjust. This keeps work stable without blocking your tools or hands. If you want better control and a cleaner bench setup, this clamp turns your workbench into a true work-holding system. Rockler-Style clamp rack for bar and F clamps. Once you start collecting clamps, storage becomes a real problem that slows down every project. A Rockler-Style clamp rack is designed to hold bar clamps and F-style clamps vertically, keeping them visible and easy to grab. In real woodworking shops, this type of rack frees up floor space, reduces clutter, and prevents clamps from getting tangled or damaged. Having clamps organized also speeds up glue-ups because you can see exactly what sizes you have available. If you want a cleaner shop and faster workflow without wasting time searching for clamps, This rack delivers practical organization that pays off daily. If this video helped you see how affordable clamps can still deliver professional results, make sure to like it so other woodworkers can find it too. Drop a comment and tell us which clamp you use the most in your shop or which one you plan to add next. And for honest, no-nonsense woodworking tool guides that actually improve how you build, subscribe to TechVerse, because better clamping leads to better projects every time.